Hi everyone, and today I'll be taking a quick look at the Neewer NW562C TTL camera flash. When you buy this flash, you'll receive two boxes, this one and that one. In this box, you'll find the flash stand, and the flash pouch, standard flash pouch. Comes with a Velcro attachment, quite handy. Alright, in this box, you'll receive a receiver and a trigger and a couple of cables that you can use to hook up different equipment of yours, your camera, your speed lights, or studio strobes to the receiver or to the trigger, depending on what setup you're using. I normally use these to remotely trigger my camera or to remotely trigger my flash. Alright, let's take a quick look at the flash itself. First thing you're going to notice, oh, by the way, you also receive obviously this diffuser cap in the box along with your speedlight. Alright, first thing you'll notice is the compact meat. It's very light, which is a bit concerning. You obviously don't want to drop it. You need to be careful not to damage it. It's got a tilting head, which makes it very versatile, easy to use, so you don't have to move your light stands around. You can just twist and turn the head 90 degrees in this direction, 7 degrees in that direction, and 270 degrees in this direction. You're also going to notice that the battery compartment is not, it doesn't seem very durable. I really hope it's going to last. You have a standard screw-on shoe mount. Interestingly enough, you also have a power adapter connector on the front, and you also have your usual sync connector for remote triggering. Okay, let's turn the flash on. I'll just reset everything so we can start from the beginning. Alright, pressing the on off button, you can actually toggle between the backlight of the screen, which is very handy in dark environments, of course. Okay, let's see. So we have TTL mode with the usual flash bracketing option. We have background and sync in TTL. Of course, we can tweak the exposure values beyond what the flash sets for itself. We have manual mode. In here we can of course set the power, tweak the exposure values further, and change zoom values. You can see the light moving in the chamber, well, the bulb moving in the chamber, or we can just leave it on automatic, so to let the flash determine how far our subject is from the flash. Alright, we have multi or strobe mode, in which you get to choose your frequency from 199 Hz down to 1 Hz, and you can choose how many times you want your flash to shoot, from 1 up to 40. Further, you have slave modes, but they're only available in manual. In slave mode, you can have master flash go off, and by going off, they would trigger this flash automatically, and this flash will pick up the signal from right here, so you can set up groups without having to worry about your remote triggers, without having to use batteries. So I think that's very useful. Okay, all right, let's see how we can use the trigger and the receiver to trigger the flash or to trigger the camera. First off, I need to show you how to use it to trigger the camera itself. So when you want to shoot remotely with your camera, you can actually use a couple of things. You can hook it up straight to your computer, or you can use these. So this is your receiver that you want to set in camera mode. It's going to be blinking with red LED. And you have your trigger also set into camera mode. You take this cable, this jack, and simply you just hook up your receiver to the jack of your camera, the remote control jack, of course, and then you just press this button. As you can see, or maybe as you can hear, when I press the trigger halfway, because it's a two, so you can actually push it in halfway and you can go all the way. When you push it half, well, I mean, it's the same as your button on the camera. When you press it halfway, it's going to autofocus if you have autofocus enabled or turned on, and if you go all the way, then you can trigger your camera. Well, I cannot really find any focus right now, but you get the idea. You can hear it shoot actually. All right, simple as that. Let's see how it works with the flash. First off, we need to choose flash mode on the trigger and flash mode on the receiver as well. Then we just simply insert the flash into the hot shoe of the receiver. You can use your stand to stabilize your setup, which I am going to do right now, and then you just trigger. You can probably not see properly, but yes, it is shooting. Simple as that. So you can put your trigger on your camera, and if you do that, then it's going to shoot automatically when you trigger your camera, or you can just take the trigger with you anywhere and just, you know, shoot as you please, pretty much. Okay, so that was a very brief preview of this flash. I would definitely recommend getting this flash for those who are seeking to expand their existing studio setup or are just geeking out in photography. It's very versatile. You can use it in TTL. That would help you in challenging environments, and you can also get to learn how to use manual flashes with this great flash. You're probably not going to get anything much better for this price, but of course it's up to you. There are many other models out there, many other brands out there, so actually the selection is huge, but this flash I can definitely recommend. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a like, or if you have any questions, leave your questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time.